Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial of WPS Office application on how to justify left and right. Okay, to justify your paragraph or your text, guys, you need to select them first. I'm going to select my paragraph like this, and then we can go to the alignment right here. Make sure that you select Home tab and just go to the alignment. If you want to justify left, just click this option like this, and the text will be moved to the left. And if you want to justify right, just click on Align Right, and it will be like this. Or you can choose this one, Justify Align text to both the left and right margins. Yeah, and for me, guys, I prefer this one because it looks better. Okay, and that's how we can justify left and right in WPS Office. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!